Everyone thinks their channel is stuck because YouTube stopped pushing their videos. And that's not what's happening. YouTube has a score, a secret rating, and when that score drops, YouTube quietly stops showing your content anymore. The good news? You can reset it. And let me show you how. Here's what nobody tells when your views die. You didn't get shadow banned. YouTube didn't randomly decide to punish you. There's no conspiracy. What happened is much simpler. Every channel on YouTube has what they call an algorithm score. It's basically a data profile that YouTube builds about you over time. Every upload, every click, every minute someone watches, it feeds directly into your algorithm profile. And YouTube uses that profile to decide one important thing. Who should we show the content to? Now, when your profile is clean and consistent, YouTube is confident. It pushes your videos and growth happens. But when the profile is messy, inconsistent, full of different signals, YouTube loses confidence. And when YouTube loses confidence in your channel, it gets cautious. It starts to restrict how far your content goes. Not because you necessarily did something wrong, but because YouTube doesn't know what to show your content for. And the good news is that it's fixable. And today I'm going to show you a 5-step process to reset your algorithm and how to rebuild it clean. But first, let me show you what tags your channel in the first place. Because if you don't understand this part, you'll just repeat the same mistakes. Now, what messes your algorithm score? Look at this. Every time you do one of these things, switch content, mixing content types, niche hopping, chasing unrelated trends, inconsistent upload style, copying different content creators that have nothing to do with each other. And you're eventually sending a new signal to YouTube data profile about your channel. And none of these signals agree with each other. So now, YouTube is sitting there with a profile that says this channel is for fitness. No wait, it's for finance. Actually, it's for motivation. Maybe gaming. And YouTube's response to that confusion? Simple. It stops betting on you. But not forever, until you give something clean to work with. Most creators at this point feel like they're shadow banned. They're not. They're just algorithmically lost. And there's a difference, because one of those you can fix. So here's the reset process. 5 steps, don't skip any of them. Step 1. Stop uploading. I know this feels wrong, but posting right now is like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. You need to have 1 or 2 weeks off, complete silence. No new uploads. Let the negative momentum stop building. Second, use that time for step 2. A full channel audit. Go back through your videos and find the ones that actually perform, not just in views. Look at which ones kept people watching the longest, which one made new viewers subscribe, which one brought in the right audience for your channel. These videos are the clearest sign. They're the best version of what YouTube once understood about you. So step 3. Take those long form videos and clip them into shorts. Post them consistently during cooling off period. Every short you post is a new positive data point for YouTube. You're not starting over, you're reinforcing the cleanest version of your channel's identity. Step 4. After the break, commit. 90 days, one niche, one audience, every single upload, title, description, thumbnail, all of it is pointing at the exact same person. No experiments, no side content, no trends chasing. And update your entire channel to reflect that too. Channel description, tags, playlist, all of it needs to match your direction. Because if your channel page says one thing and your videos say another, the mixed signals never stop. And that brings us to step 5. Your free reset videos, what you must do. Once you're through the cooling period and you're locked in your niche, it's time to post 3 very specific videos. I call these algorithm reset videos. And they're not just your regular uploads. They're deliberate signals. And here's what each one needs to do. First, stay laser focused on your niche. These 3 videos should feel like the clearest possible example of what your channel is about. No experimenting, no edge cases, just pure on-topic content. Second, the packaging needs to be crystal clear. Before you even click the record, nail the title and thumbnail. Someone should be able to look at your video and instantly understand what it is, what it's for, and why it's worth clicking. Because when YouTube sees consistent packaging combined with a clear niche, it knows exactly where to place you. And third, make this your best work. Not perfect, but clean. Good pacing, clear structure, a real payoff. No rambling intros, no style experiments, just strong, straight line execution. When these 3 videos go live and they outperform your old content even slightly, something shifts. YouTube sees a channel that knows what it is. It sees clear data, consistent signals, and it starts gaining confidence again. That's when your impressions start to climb, and that's where the reach comes back. But here's where most people mess up. Now, if this all makes sense, but you're still sitting and wondering, but what niche do I even reset to? That's the part most creators get completely wrong. They reset the algorithm and go back to saturated niche where AdSense is low and they're still wondering why they're working so hard. Inside my community, Freedom for YouTube, what we have is I call Niche Vault. It's a constantly updated library of high RPM niches. We're talking $3, $6, $9, and even $10 and plus dollars niches. Real niches with real audiences with competitor examples already mapped out for you. Instead of guessing of what to build your reset around, you pick the proven ideas. Niches that YouTube already rewards. So if you're going through this reset process anyway, you might as well rebuild a niche that actually pays. The link is in the description. Here's the truth. Your algorithm score didn't drop because you're unlucky. It dropped because you've sent too much mixed up signals for YouTube and YouTube stopped betting on you. But that's fixable. Cooling off period, channel audit, short strategy, 90-day niche lock, and 3 reset videos. Do it in that order with no shortcuts. Do this right and the algorithm doesn't just recover, it starts working for you again. If you want help doing this inside a like-minded community, join Freedom for YouTube, the link is in the description. And if you want to keep going on your own, watch the next video. It covers exactly what to do when your algorithm starts to recurring again. And I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment your thoughts. And see you in the next one.